Apologize in advance if there's audio distortion. There's a cement truck at my neighbor's house running. But we're gonna do some upgrades to the Del Sol. I got some Teen Flex Z coilovers to put in. Hybrid Racing short shifter for the D series. Hybrid Racing bushings for the shifter. I did solid bushings in the CRX and love the way that it felt. So we're gonna start with this. Take the shifter off, take the center console out, undo those bolts, and then I'll jack it up and see where we're at. All right, center console's out, car's jacked up, took this wheel off. I got 2 jack stands on each side because I hate getting under cars. I'm gonna try to slide under there and see what I can see. It's a little crusty, but this is gonna be just fine. Get all these out. Oops, I'm blocking it. Gotta get that bushing out, replace it with the stiff one. Pop that off, put the new one on. We should be good. Car got way too low. I had trouble filming, but it's not hard. Disconnect the front bushing, reconnect it, bolt this into the bottom. We're bolted in here. This is in. Looks like it's shifting pretty nice. So yeah, let's put the console back in and shift boot and everything. We're installed. I think it's pretty good, just like the CRX. I couldn't get the hybrid racing solid shifter bushing to fit in the front, so that's a Eagle Energy bushing or one of those Synergy bushings or something. But this still feels way better than it did before. I like it a lot. About to take it for a test drive. Come along. So after the test drive, I remembered that I didn't adjust this at all. On the CRX, I have it at the shortest, so this is neutral. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Super short. That's third to fourth. Fantastic. Put this all back together again. Shifter works great. Pretty short, very solid. My second hybrid shifter from Hybrid Racing. I love them. Very, very easy to install. It's a pain in the ass on the driveway with just one jack, because I'm 6'3", 230. It's hard to fit under this little ass load. Del Sol, but we make it happen, make it work. Would have taken a quarter the amount of time if I had had a lift and maybe a second person, but I apologize for not filming all the stuff underneath. It's just hard to do. But we got it done. So next is the coilovers. I don't know if that's gonna happen today. I'm pretty wiped out, but it'll probably be in the same video. So if not, have a go.